Good morning, children. We are going to study about electric charge and electric current. Unit 4, electric charge and electric current. Okay? Okay, now we will study about electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is the form of energy that can easily change to many other forms. Electricity is a form of energy that can easily changed to many other forms. See the picture, everybody. Yes, light, communication form, heating, cooling. Yes, we are using different types of electrical instruments. Okay. Yes, TV, computer, laptop, bulb, tube-light, torchlight, iron box, oven, that like we are using more. Yes, that all used electricity. So electricity is a form of energy. Electricity is a form of energy that can be easily changed to many other forms. Okay, what is electric charge? Electric charge is a fundamental property of matter. Fundamental property of all matter. Already we know about matter. What is matter? Matter is made up of atom and molecules. Atom and molecules. What is atom? You know? Yes. Atom have particles like electron, neutron, protons. By nature, electrons and protons have negative and positive charge. That means that is naturally electron have negative charge. Proton have positive charge. Yes, neutron do not have charge. Do not have charge. So that is a neutral. Proton positive, electron negative. And electric current consists of moving electric charges. Electric current consists of moving electric charges. What is electricity? Electricity is a important sources of energy in the modern times. That is very important. Yes, yes. In the lesson we will study about electric charges, electric current, electric circuit diagram and effect of electric current. Okay. Electricity is a form of energy that can be easily changed to many other forms. It can also be defined as flow of electrons. Defined as flow of electrons in a circuit. Flow of electrons. Electron flowing. Electron moving. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next. Electric charges. What is electric charges? What is electric charge? Positive charge, negative charge. Yes. Positive charge, that is a proton. Negative charge. If an electron removed from the atom become positive charge because that electron removed. Proton is more, electron is less. So it is positively charged. So it is called positive ion. If an electron is added in excess to an atom, then the atom is negatively charged and it is called negative ion. Positive ion, negative ion. Positive charge, negative charge. Positive charged, that is called positive ion. Negative charged atom, that is called negative ion. Okay. Usually there are many electrons are there, protons, and the atom themselves are neutral. What is neutral? Proton, number of proton and number of electron is equal, that is neutral. Because electron have negative charge, proton have positive charge. That positive and negative, that equal means that is neutral. Okay. Yes, imbalance between proton, that means P plus, and E plus in a charged object is proportionally very small. The difference may be only 10 power 12 particles of out of the total of 10 power 25. That is an imbalance of 1 per 10 trillion. 1 per 10 trillion. Imbalance of 1 per 10 trillion. Okay. Positive charge, negative charge. Positive charge, negative charge, positive ion, negative ion. Okay, one activity given here. Already we studied the lower classes that when you rub a plastic comb on your dry hair, the comb obtain power. The comb obtain power from the hair. The comb obtain power from the hair. That is attracting the small pieces of paper. The comb have power. The power attracting the pieces of paper. Isn't it? Yes, we know that. Yes. When you rub the comb vigorously, electrons from your hair leave and accumulate on the edge of the comb. comb edgeல அந்த எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன வந்துட்டு அதனால இப்போ ஒரு பீசஸ் ஆஃப் பேப்பர்ஸ் பக்கத்துல கொண்டு போனோம்னா அந்த கோம்பு அப்படியே அந்த பீசஸ் பேப்பர்ஸ் அப்படியே தூக்கிடும். Do and see in your home. Okay, your hair is now positively charged as it has lot electrons, and the comb is negatively charged as it has gained electrons. Okay children, next we have to study measuring electric charge. How do you measure? How we will measure electric charge? Electric charge is measured in coulomb. And the symbol of coulomb is C. The charge of electric electron is numerically a very tiny value, very small, tiny value. The charge of electron is fundamental unit, which charge equal to 1.6 multiplied 10 power minus 19 coulomb. That means the charge of an electron. Charge of one electron is equal to 1.6 multiplied 10 power minus 19 coulomb. This indicates that the charge Q has to be integral multiple n of this fundamental unit electron charge. Q is equal to Ne. Here n is a whole number. Practically we have micro coulomb, nano coulomb, pico coulomb. Micro coulomb, nano coulomb, pico coulomb as units of electric charge. 1 micro coulomb is equal to 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Nano coulomb is equal to 10 power minus 9 coulomb. And pico coulomb is equal to 10 power minus 12 coulomb. Electric charge is additive in nature. The total electric charge of one system is an algebraic sum of all charges located in the system. For example, let us say that a system has two charges, plus 5 coulomb and minus 2 coulomb. Then the total of net charge on the system is plus 5 coulomb plus minus 2 coulomb. That means that is equal to plus 3 coulomb. That method, one problem sum given here. How many electrons will be there in 1 coulomb of charge? 1 coulomb of charge like எத்தனை electron இருக்குது? Charge on 1 electron is equal to 1.6 multiplied 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Number of electron is in coulomb is equal to 6.25 multiply 10 power 18 electrons. 1 by 1.6 multiply 10 power minus 19 is equal to 6.2510 multiply 18 electrons. Okay, 1 by 1.6 multiply 10 power 19, 10 power minus 19. So answer is 6.2510 multiply 10 power 18 electrons. Okay, yes, it is the answer of this problem. Okay, children. 1. Electric force. Electric force. Among electric charges, there are two types of electric force: attractive electric force, repulsive electric force. Like charges repel, unlike charges attract. Like charges repel, unlike charges attract. Everybody see the picture. Electric force. Positive, positive. It is not attractive because two are like charges. So that is repel. Next one, see, positive and negative. That two are unlike charges. So these two are attract. Okay, like charges repel, unlike charges attract. These are electrostatic forces. These are electrostatic forces. Electrostatic forces. Among electrocharges, the like charges repel and unlike charges attract. The force existing between the charges is called an electric force. This force can be experienced even when the charges are not contact. Not contact. Charges not contact. Like charges repel, unlike charge attract. Unlike charge attract. Yes, one do you know given here? Electrostatic forces between 2 points. Electrostatic forces between 2 points obey Newton's third law. Newton's third law obey பண்ணி electrostatic forces, the point given, point charges. The force on one charge is the action and on the other charge reaction. One charge action, another charge reaction. Repel. Action, attraction. Okay, that action, one charge action, another charge attraction. Reaction, attraction. Action, reaction. Repel, attract. Okay, yes, have you understood, children? Next one, electric field. Electric field. Electric field, the region in which the charge experiences electric force, forms electric field. Around the charge. Electric field around the charge. Often electric field, that is E, or electric field is E, represented by the lines and arrowheads. Lines and arrowheads indicating the direction of electric field. Indication of electric field. The direction of the electric field is the direction of force that would act on the small positive charge. Small positive charge. Therefore, line representing electric field is called electric line of force. Electric line of force. Electric line of force. Electric lines of force are straight or curved along with the unit positive charge tend to the move its electric field. Tend to the electric field. Yes, electric field is E that exists at the points electrostatic force F experienced by a small test charge placed at the point divided by the charge itself is equal to E is equal to F by QO, electric field. The electric field is a vector and its direction is the same as the direction of the force F. positive test charge. SI unit of electric field is Newton per Coulomb. Newton per Coulomb. So, ebonite rod, that is a negative, that near to positive one stand and a negative stand is there. Positive repel, negative positive attract. So this positive charge going near the ebonite rod, that attract, that one repel. Okay, in the picture electric field, electro lines of force for an isolated positive. Electric lines of force are imaginary lines. The strength of electric field is represented by how close the field lines are to one another. For an isolated positive charge, the electric lines of force are radially outwards. See the first one, that positive charge electric lines force are radially outside. And for an isolated negative charge, they are radially inward. Radially outward, radially inward. And for an isolated negative charge, they are radially inwards. Second one, inwards. Electric field at the points is a measure force acting on unit positive charge placed at the point. Positive, negative positive, that attract. See the picture, third one, positive and negative attract. And positive repel, negative repel. So positive charge will experience force is direction of electric field, and the negative will experience in opposite direction of electric field. Positive charge will experience force direction of electric field, Negative will experience the opposite direction of electric field. Positive direction of electric field. See the picture. Positive க்கு என்னது direction electric field பார்த்திருக்கும். Negative charge க்கு இது opposite direction of electric field. Electric field க்கு opposite direction ல negative charge இருக்கும். Okay. Yes. Yes. The positive charge will experience force the direction of electric field, and the negative charge will experience in the opposite direction of electric field. Yes. These lines are electric lines of force. Electric lines of force, first picture, that inwards. Second picture, that first picture outwards. Second picture inwards. Third one, that is attracted to each other. Fourth one, that is repel to each other. Fifth one also repel to each other. And next, that is electric lines of force. Electric lines of force. Next, electric potential. Electric potential. What is electric potential? Electric potential is a measure of the work done on unit positive charge to bring it to that point against all electrical forces. Lower electrical potential, higher electrical potential. Everybody see the picture. Uniform electrical field, positive, that one going higher electric potential. Negative, lower electric potential. Lower electric potential, higher electric potential. It is a uniform electric field. Electric potential and electric field. It is a electric potential and electric field. Lower electric potential, higher electric potential. What is electric potential? Electric potential is a measure of the work done on unit positive charge to bring it to that point against all electrical forces. All electrical forces. All electrical forces. Electrical forces, what are they? Like charge, unlike charge. Repel, attract. Repel and attract. Have you understood? Repel and attract. That electric charge, electrical forces that point, bring it to that point against all electrical forces. Electrical potential, though there is an electric force, either attractive or repulsive. Already we studied attractive and repulsive. Either attractive or repulsive existing among the charges, they are still kept together. Still kept together. Is it not? Kept together, is it? Isn't it? We now know that in the region of electric charge, there is an electric field. Other charges experience force in this field and vice versa. There is a work done on the charges to keep them together. This results in a quantity called electric potential. Electric potential, the quantity. Result in a quantity is called electric potential. What is electric potential? There is a work done on the charge to keep them together. There is a work done on the charges to keep them together. This result in the quantity called electric potential. This quantity is called electric potential. Okay. Yes. What is electric potential? Other charges experience force. In this field, there is a work done on charges to keep them together. This result in the quantity called electric potential. Electric potential. So, electrostatic force that is taken from the Newton third law, that action and reaction charge are the force on one charge, that is action, another charge is reaction. That means a repel and attract. Like charges repel, unlike charges attract. Okay. These are the electric force. Electric potential is a measure of the work. Electrical potential is a measure of the work done on unit positive charge to bring it to the point against all electrical forces. All electrical forces. So, electric potential and electric field. Yes, that picture also we saw. Electric potential and electric field. Okay, children. Now, electric charge studied. Yes, electric charge. Positive charge, negative charge. Positive ion, negative ion. Measuring electric charge. Measuring electric charge. After that, one problem sum also done. That also do and see in your home. Yes, one activity that positive charge, negative charge activity one given. After electric force, repel and attract, like charge repel, unlike charge attract. Electric field, we studied electric field also. Electric potential also. Okay. Yes, these all you study. Properly you study. Okay. Next one. Homework. Homework. Everybody read these 3 pages. These 3 pages everybody read properly. Okay. Write 10 fill in the blanks in the homework. Write 10 fill in the blanks. Write correct fill in the blanks. Okay, correct fill in the blanks. And electric lines of force draw in your classwork note. Page number 40. Electric field, electric lines of force. That 6 pictures are there. That one you draw in your classwork note. Okay, this is your homework and classwork. Okay, everybody study this study this one properly. Okay children, study properly.